Good morning, dear grade 10. Let's make pasta and starch dishes today. I will demonstrate to you 3 starch dishes, so this lesson will be divided into 2 parts. The first part is the demonstration of making fresh pasta noodles and a complementary dish for this pasta. The second part is a demonstration of 2 easy to prepare starch dishes, palitaw and tikoy. Here is the learning target. I can prepare starch and cereal dishes according to standards. So, let's start. Are you ready to make this Pinoy-style chunky pasta? Let's start first with the fresh pasta making. You will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 whole eggs, 3 egg yolks plus more as needed if the pasta becomes too dry. Semolina flour for dusting, but since I don't have semolina flour, I also use all-purpose flour for dusting. 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mound the flour on a flat surface and dig a hole at the center of the mound. In a bowl with the eggs, add the salt and oil. Beat the mixture and begin to incorporate to the flour. Start with the inner rim of the well. The dough will start to come together in a shaggy mass. Use your hands to continue to mix the dough. Press any loose bits of flour into the mass of dough. If needed, add another egg yolk or a tablespoon of water to absorb all of the flour. Start kneading the dough by pushing it down and away from you and turning it repeatedly until the dough feels smooth. This takes about 7 to 10 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball by rolling it in a circle with both hands, applying pressure to the bottom so that the dough tucks itself and the ball tightens up a little. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 5 minutes, place dough on a lightly floured surface. Continue kneading for 5 minutes or until smooth and elastic. Add more flour to prevent sticking if necessary. Cover again and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover the dough again. Using lightly floured rolling pin, roll out dough to 1/8 inch thick circle on lightly floured surface. Gently pick up dough circle with both hands. Check for places where dough is too thick. Even out any thick spots. Let rest until dough is lightly dry but can be handled without breaking. Lightly floured dough circle. Roll loosely on rolling pin. When the dough has flattened into the desired thickness, Prepare to fold the pasta by adding flour to the surface of the dough before folding. This will prevent the dough from sticking during cutting. Start cutting into your desired shape. If you want evenly thick pasta, you can use pasta roller if available. Pinoy-style chunky pasta. You will need 500 grams of pasta, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 pieces of green bell pepper, 250 grams of ham, 250 grams of cheese dogs, 1 small can of bottom mushrooms, 2 cups Pinoy-style tomato sauce, 1/2 cup banana ketchup, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, oil for sautéing, and grated cheese for topping. Start by preparing all your ingredients. Since the pasta that I prepared is thick, I decided to cut my ham and hot dogs a little bigger than usual. In cooking the fresh pasta, make sure to boil a lot of water with a little bit of salt before adding the pasta to the pot. Boil for 7 to 10 minutes or until the pasta is al dente or has a chewy texture. Drain the pasta and wait until the sauce is ready. I prefer cooking the ham and hot dogs first before adding to the sauce. For the sauce, sauté garlic, onions, green bell pepper, and the bottom mushrooms. Add salt and pepper, and the cooked ham and hot dogs, and the rest of the ingredients. You can adjust the spices depending on your preference. If you want a sweeter sauce, you can also add sugar. Add your pasta and work fast just until the pasta blends well with the sauce. Remove from heat immediately. Serve and enjoy.